Today, guys, it is Black Friday, and last year I really missed out on Black Friday and I wanted to do something for it, but before I knew it, it was gone. So this year I kind of planned ahead a bit and we've got a Black Friday deal for you guys. But before we get into that, I've also been working on something which I know a lot of you guys have been really interested to see. So we're just gonna take a quick look at that first of all, and I can tell you now, if you actually read this document, which I'm going to show you now, once you read that and see for yourself, I can assure you, you are likely to never ever trade the same way ever again. You're going to be far more profitable than you probably are right now, and also you're going to have far less stress as well. So what this is all about the regular stability trading method, which I used for our master trading signals. So if you were to go over to our site, Moocharoo.ninja, and head over to the master section of our site, you'll come to this page here, which is the master trading signals. Now we do have standard trading signals which we allow everybody to come and use. So all you need to do is just log in with a free account and you can use these. These are based on a Heikin-Ashi trading strategy and they're pretty good, especially for free. I know there's a lot of places who actually charge you money for these types of signals. And they offer both day trading and swing trading signals. And a lot of people always think that day trading is going to be more profitable. However, certainly with crypto, if you have a look at this, you can see the day trading basically takes the signal every single hour. So it uses the Heikin-Ashi strategy, and every single hour it takes a look at that Heikin-Ashi candle and produces a signal whether to buy, sell, hold, etc. And down here we can see we've got two lots of ROI. So this is all based on beginning trading on the 4th of September this year. And you can see that the day trading, we've got a couple there that are up, but majority are actually in negative figures. So not very promising for you day traders out there. But swing trading, so this is basically holding out for the bigger swings. So you buy and maybe you're holding the cryptocurrency for about couple of weeks, maybe even a month or more. These ones are pretty much all in positive. In fact, Chainlink's up 85%, basic attention token, Bitcoin, Decreed, they're all up really big. So I definitely recommend you swing trade from now on rather than day trade. And over here on the master crypto signals, it's even worse than that. Okay, so unlike the day trading where you're getting a signal every single day, even if it's just a hold, with these signals, they only come through when the signals fire. So when it's absolutely critical that you need to buy and sell and do something in the market, then you get a signal, but not before. And a lot of people have been kind of confused with these signals and not sure how to actually use them. So what we've done at last, I know it's took us some time, is created a rough guide. So over there on the left hand side now you can see the rough guide to using the master trading signals, and also just below it there the link to get notified if you haven't done so already. And what that will do is basically just give you notifications, as you see here, on any device, whether that's like an Apple phone or an Android phone, your desktop. These notifications will just come through to let you know that a signal has fired, because as I say, it could be, you know, a couple of days, couple of weeks before another signal comes through. But when it happens, you really have to be on it. And in this rough guide here, this basically goes through the entire strategy of regular stability trading and how it applies to these signals, and everything that you need to do with these signals with lot size. Everybody asking about that. How do we work out your lot size for your portfolio? Everything is explained here in this guide. And yeah, just go down through there and you'll see absolutely everything explained in fine detail. So that is all that you need. And at the bottom there, we can also show some of the recent signals that if you were already following these master trading signals, like myself, you'd have made substantial amounts of money on. So like this one here with Decreed, that would have been awesome. And also the recent signal for FOREX, which was just a couple of days ago. And we had to bring this out because of the master nodes over on Satoshi's Mines. So as Satoshi's Mines has been running, both FOREX and Zcoin have fallen substantially, and a lot of people's accounts have been down. So what we promised to do was whenever the trading signals rise up and the price, like you see here for PivX, does go up occasionally, just out of control, we just sell off all the masternodes in Satoshi's mines and then buy them back at a more fair market value. So that is it. If you want to read that document, all you need to do, log on in there and go over to the Master Trading Signals page, and you'll be able to download that and read that for yourself, print it out, do whatever you like with it. Anyway, now time for a bit of Black Friday magic. Okay guys, are you ready for a Black Friday deal? That is what this video is all about. We are going to be giving away those calendars that we've been talking about recently. This is the 2020 cryptocurrency calendar for 2020, and we're going to be giving those away. And what I mean by giving them away is basically making the master deal available, which we had available to everybody. Okay, and on that deal, it pretty much covers the postage, covers the cost, but we don't actually make any money on it. So theoretically, we're giving them away. And anyway, I'm a bit out of breath right now, so let's go move back to the office where we'll finish this conversation. Yes, we have our calendar this year, the crypto calendar for 2020, packed full of all the major crypto events there in the bottom of each month to tell you what's going on in the marketplace, like coin halvings, as well as like big major crypto blockchain events going on all over the world, and some rather interesting pictures as well, which we've taken throughout the year, as well as a couple of pictures from our actual Master Ninjas and Standard Ninja as well. So the first and the last month there from you guys, our members, that have provided those pictures. So thank you guys for providing those. And if you'd like to get one, this is the Black Friday deal. So all you need to do, head on over to Moocharoo.ninja and click on promo. Promo will take you to this page. And as you scroll down, you will now see this, the Black Friday special. So this is where we're going to be giving away one of these calendars plus the poster for the Master Ninja discount of £15. So let me just run this through. This is like free delivery. We're taking care of all of the delivery for you, okay? And the average cost for delivery, if we're sending these out to like Australia, South America, somewhere like that, tends to be about £9.70. And then we've got the packaging on top, not to mention the PayPal fees, the actual cost to have these produced. So long and short of it is, for our Master Ninjas, we basically give them away at cost price. So this £15 is just basically how much it costs to make and then ship out to you guys. So we don't actually make any profit on this at all. We're essentially giving it away for free. And if you factor in the cost of actually paying somebody minimum wage to package these up and send them down the post office, and also if you're going to pay someone minimum wage to actually take all of the photos in there and do all the graphic design and the research into the different blockchain events going on next year, adding those all into the calendar, then we're at a massive loss. But we're not really looking to make money from this. We make all of our money through trading, really. So this is just something we wanted to get out to the crypto community here on YouTube, to you guys. So if you would like one of these 2020 crypto calendars for yourself, then you know what you need to do. And why would you not? If you're into crypto or you know somebody that is, who wouldn't want one of those, really? So that's it. That is the Black Friday deal. You can scroll down. You'll see some other stuff there, as well as some t-shirts and different things that we've got going on there. And also, if you are not already a Master Ninja, please do head on over and upgrade your account to Master Ninja, because there are only so many spaces available, and the price has, if you've been watching these videos for some time, or if you want to go back and watch our previous videos, you'll see the price does rise as time goes on, and next year this will be going up more yet as well. So if you're considering becoming a member and you want the use of those master trading signals, you're going to really need to get upgraded sooner rather than later. Anyway, that is it for me for today. So I shall see you again in the next video.